Vacuum edge spraying machine, one-pass finishing for panel edges. Operator feeds the panel, machine auto-detects. First coat of white paint sprays evenly, covering every edge flawlessly. Panel enters fast-drying tunnel. Hot air circulation, surface dries instantly. Track belt sander finely polishes the edge, removing burrs, followed by a second coat for stronger adhesion. Fast drying again, paint surface becomes smooth and full, finished panel automatically exits, edge as smooth as glass. Vacuum edge spraying machine, efficient, smart, flawless.